All right, so today I found the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Strawberry. We've been waiting for these. So they're kind of like a Dorito. Some of them have a lot on there and some don't. Let's try them. Mmm. Mmm. Those are amazing. They taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but strawberry. You can taste the cinnamon and strawberry. These are really, really good. If you like strawberry and you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I think you're going to like these. I could eat these just like this. Mmm. One cup is 170 calories. That kind of sucks though. I don't even need milk. These are good on their own. But if you want to have milk, I'm sure that would be good too. I bet it flavors the milk really well. Imagine these on as an ice cream topper or something. So if you want to try these, go check your local Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye.